Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Isa na namang international headline para sa ating SB19 sa V-Man Southeast Asian Edition. Suki na ng V-Man online magazine ng ating mahalima. Matapang ang titulo ng headline, SB19 dismantles the boy band troupe with Wakas at Simula new album. Only SB19 at new album Wakas at Simula redefines P-pop as serious vessel for artistic evolution and global collaboration. Isinalaysay ng V-Man online magazine na binago ng SB19 sa ilang dekada ang term o word na boy band with manufactured perfection, synchronized choreography, radio-ready hooks. Ang new album na Wakas at Simula ay may 24 kanta para sa lahat na pwedeng pakinggan anytime, anywhere. Dagdag pa ng V-Man online magazine, ang Wakas at Simula ay rise of more sophisticated musical movement. Ang naturang album ay niyakap ang complexity at binabalance ang high-octane energy. So ibig sabihin, ibang level ang album ng SB19 na Wakas at Simula.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for.